Hello, welcome again to my channel. This is Mish Ventures. Kama kawaida, I love cooking, I love food, and I'm always looking forward to do my videos. And so that one, two, three, four, five, many people can learn from me, and I also learn from other people as well. So today I'm going to do some washes, the sweet potatoes, and I have a few pieces here. I don't have so many, I just have this. So I've washed them. I'm just going to boil them, and then you will see what will come next. Remember, they're just ordinary washes, but I'm just going to do a nice way of doing them so that when you present your breakfast, people just fall in love with their breakfast and they look forward to eating. So I'll just go right away and put some water to boil. First of all, I'll turn on the meko. I'll turn on the meko, and then the next thing I'm going to do is to put some water. Remember, they will be ready. They take a short time to be ready, so not too much water. So what basically I'm going to do is to remember I'm looking for an improved way of doing my washes. So the normal way is just boiling. You can either peel and then you boil. Some people put some salt. I don't do salt. Personally, I don't do salt. So I'm gonna boil them, and then once they are ready, I'll peel them. Then after peeling them, let's keep watching. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Hello. So when I was done with the boiling, so what I've done, I've just removed the peels, and then I've chopped them into small pieces, into small circular pieces. So here, this pot has some hot oil. It was really hot. So I just put it off so that the oil can cool down. So what I'm gonna do is just to put them one by one in here, like that, one by one, just the way we do our mandazis. You do the same to the washes. So this is what I'm doing, just dropping them in the hot oil, like that, like that. So I'll just turn on, but not too much heat, and reduce the heat. So I'm trying to look for some space. There is more space, more space over here. You can see there is more space. So actually what I'm doing is to remove them from the hot oil. Just putting them here. So let me just turn this off first. That way, so. Sijui anazipresent aje sasa. Alright, so I'm done with serving my plate for breakfast. I'm assuming it's not one person. There are many people. So I've done, there is an apple on one side, and then those are the potatoes. Okay, and then this side has some mini bites. Trying to be so that you can be able to see. So those are the mini bites, and then there's a fruit over there, and the carbs are over there. So you can do this with a glass of juice, your cup of tea, and you enjoy your breakfast. That was me again, Mish Ventures. Please remember to subscribe, keep subscribing, like my videos, share them as well. Tap on the notification bell so that every time I upload a video, you are able to know. And thanks for watching and your time as well. Until next time, bye bye.